Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to reset Google passphrase. Alright, let's begin. When you add a passphrase to your Google account, all your custom activities such as passwords and browser history are securely backed up by Google. This data is end-to-end encrypted, meaning Google does not have access to it. However, when you reset your Google passphrase, all backed up activities will be deleted and you will no longer have access to them. So try not to forget your passphrase. If you do forget your passphrase, you can only create a new one for future activities. To do this, access the three dots icon at the top right corner of your Chrome browser and select Settings from the drop-down menu. After that, access the Sync and Google Activities tab from the top and then expand the encryption menu. Here, click on Encrypt Sync Data and inside this, click on the Reset link embed and a new page will load up. Here, scroll all the way to the bottom and select Delete Data. In order to reset the passphrase, you will need to delete your data. Simply click on Clear and confirm your choice. This action will delete the passphrase from your account and you will be able to set a new one. So that's basically how you can reset Google passphrase. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.